get some travel mods. For example, maybe like a bigger windshield, or a comfort seat, or maybe auxiliary lights.
Look, I just got the letter on Friday and I didn't know how to tell you.
I'm really happy for you. Okay? Go have some fun.
Woohoo! All done! So I actually skipped the wiring part for the installation because honestly, I'm not really good at that. So instead, I brought it to NKS so they can help me out with this. Just don't want to don't want to mess with the wiring, right? So just in case, like, you know, I avoided something on the warranty. Because wiring really is not my expertise. No, I'm no expert and I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, I just might as well just bring it to the center. And it is plenty bright. And I saw it in the showroom just now. Roblox. Okay. Plenty bright, actually, it's very bright. Okay, later I'm gonna show you how bright is it. Because now it's morning, can't really tell. I need a fuel up. I'm looking for a petrol station nearby. Because I have this anxiety of you know, empty tank. I'm in 1 bar right now, so about 20 kms to reach home. Hey! Okay, it's finally at night now, which means that I can show you how effective this light is. So actually I didn't fully explain why did I go to the shop and do the wiring stuff, because it sounds very easy. Because like I can just hook it up to the accessory spot together with the switch that it came with, and then it can work, right? But I prefer not to, you know, take my hands off the handlebar and then switch it on and off like that. So I prefer the way is hook it up, link it to my high beam, low beam, which makes the auxiliary lights to be activated when I go on high beam. Alright, let me show you. I'm having the yellow lens installed, so this is how it looks. This place is not really bright, so... Oh yeah! Ooh! This is my first time riding at night. Riding at night with the lights. So yeah, it's my first experience, so it's very bright. Look. Wow. Oh, it's bright actually. So I'm here because it's dark. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Oh. Adventure riding. Oh, so dark. Let's go. High beam. Ooh. Look at how bright is it. So if I want to flash people, I mean I mean flash, not that flash, I can just do this. Kids, so you know, they are flash, let them know what's happening. Yeah, yellow beam. Look at how bright is this. This is really bright. Doom 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 doom. Look. Pooh. Super bright. Okay, you know what? Let me switch to the white lights, which means I'm going to remove the insert, the yellow light insert. This is going to blind people, man. If I ride with this on. One out. Another one out. Okay, I'm gonna keep it in my pocket first. I hope this doesn't fly off. Oh, wow, it's a bit dangerous. It's not secured. Okay, I really hope it doesn't fly out. I have my everything on here. Okay, let's go. How the white light works. Yeah, it's bright. It's bright, but I prefer the yellow light because like now the condition is it just rained and floor is wet, so we've got like reflections, right? It's better to use yellow light because I don't know why, some science stuff. I'm not expert enough to you know explain it to you, but it just works better. Oh wow, look at that. Look at this. This is so bright. Oh, I can see everything. I can see the trees, man. Crazy. This is crazy. I mean, it's not an expensive product. It's from China and it works. I mean, I'm gonna be very happy if this works like for at least like 2 years. I'm gonna be happy. I'm not expecting more than that, more than this, because like if you're comparing the price of like Denali, oh man, the Denali is like so expensive, and this is like what, 10% of the price, like 10 times cheaper. This is bright, and it feels solid, but not too sure about the long-term durability lah. I mean, it feels solid, like, and yeah, not too sure about the durability, as in like will water actually goes in and stuff like that, right? By the way, I will link this light in the description below where you can buy it, but I think it only works in Asia, because yeah, the platform that I bought it from is actually called Shopee. So if you're from the US or the UK, somewhere around Europe, I don't think you'll be able to buy it. So yeah, maybe you all can go to eBay and look for it. Not too sure for India, because many of the viewers are from India. So hi there. Super bright. Actually, I'm a bit lost. Where am I? Alright, so I'm very happy for what I paid for. Super bright. Exceed my expectation, definitely. And first impression, of course, I do recommend this if you want to get one. Oh man, I miss touring, man. Like, I cannot I can't wait anymore. I'm just gonna so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this and install it. I don't care. So yeah, for you all that bought this windshield, I want to thank you all so much for, you know, having interest in what I did. I didn't plan to sell it, and so if you are from international, I mean you're from outside of Malaysia, and you're asking for the shipping details, I'm a bit clueless about that. So yeah, let me know where you're from so I can check with the shipping company how much it costs. And yes, you know, hit me up if you want to get your hands on one of these bracket, and you can actually drop me an email or follow me on Instagram and DM me. Both are fine. Oh yeah, before that, So yeah, let me know what do you think of these auxiliary lights that I've installed. How do you think it looks? Or would you rather or rather not install it on your bike? Because personally for me, I love the way it looks. I've always wanted to have this auxiliary lamp. So it makes my bike kind of looks like, you know, like an all-rounder. I can do sports, I can do a bit of touring. So yeah, everybody has their own taste. Let me know what do you think. As always, thank you all so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, remember to like my video and subscribe if you like what I do. Thank you all so much, and I will see you all in the next video, and goodbye. Ding.